Hello, I'm Colin Bradley. Let me introduce you to my Pastel Pencil for Beginners range of starter packs. This is one of them. Now they come with pencils or without. Let me show you what's inside the pack. There is two ways you can purchase the packs. You can either go onto our art store and order a pack, in which case we'll send you a full pack with all the contents plus the pencils, or minus the pencils, depending which you want. Or the other way, you can download the pack from our website. Now I'll give you both alternatives. Let's put the pencils to one side for the moment and assume you've either got them or you've had them supplied. There'll be 6 pencils with every starter pack. Now they're not all the same, but all the pencils that you see listed here with all the packs are available on a 24 set. It's my special Colin Bradley 24 set. So you can buy just one box of pencils and do all the packs, or you can buy them individually. That's up to you. So let's start off by showing you what's in. This is the pack that you would get if you purchased it hard copy. Get the front copy, like that, which contains the picture. You get the full instructions. Now the instructions are explicit and they've been used for many, many years, even before we decided to do the videos, and they were very successful. And the other thing we give you is a line drawing. Now the line drawing comes in the pack, okay, and I'll go through what you would do if you downloaded it. Okay, you also get 2 hard copies of the pastel paper with the line drawing already on it. That saves you a lot of time, and when you're a beginner sometimes you need that help, so you can start straight away. And you'll also get a back sheet, which is only a bit of information really, but it completes the pack and makes the pack very useful. So that's if you purchase a hard copy. Now what if you have it downloaded? Well, you get that, of course, and again you get the picture. You get the same thing, you get the instructions as a download, and in this case you wouldn't get the paper. You'd have to buy that separately, or you can use your own pastel paper. That's up to you. But you would get the line drawing. So you can either draw it yourself from the line drawing, or you can use the line drawing, put it through your printer and print it onto pastel paper, if it's suitable to go through your printer. Lots of choices you've got. So that's the pack, and I think you'll agree that it's pretty comprehensive, and I think you'll enjoy using them.